English Fast, helping advanced learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR C1. Nominate, obligatory, precaution. Nominate. Nominate is a verb. C1 learners usually know nominate. To nominate is to officially suggest someone for a task or a position in an organisation. Nominate also suggests a person for a prize. Here are some examples. You can nominate any person that you feel deserves the prize. She was nominated as Best Actress of the Year. They decided to nominate an upcoming, inspiring young artist. Obligatory. Obligatory is an adjective. C1 learners usually know obligatory. At C1, obligatory describes something that must be done. Here are some examples. The use of seat belts in cars is obligatory nowadays. Being part of the choir means attendance at obligatory rehearsals. In many countries, military service is obligatory for young men. Precaution. Precaution is a noun. C1 learners usually know precaution. A precaution is something that you do to prevent bad things happening in future. Here are some examples. As a precaution, we always lock the door at night. She became ill suddenly, so he called the doctor as a precaution. Whether you are the driver or the passenger, wearing a seat belt is a sensible precaution. In the comments below, write some of your own sentences with nominate, obligatory and precaution. Email the editor at englishfast.co.uk for the free CEFR C1 worksheets. Subscribe on YouTube to learn more.